In this video, we are going to learn how to find the greatest common factor. Example, factor 5x plus 5y minus 5z. Find the GCF or greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is 5. This is the largest or highest common factor among the three terms. So we write 5 and then divide each term by the GCF to find the other factor. So we divide the first term by 5. 5x divided by 5 is x. So we write x here. And then the next term, positive 5y divided by 5 is equal to positive y. We write positive y here. And then negative 5z divided by 5 is negative z. We write negative z here. So the answer is 5 times the quantity x plus 2y minus the z. Another example, factor 24x raised to the exponent of 4 plus 6x squared minus 9x. In the first example, the greatest common factor is obvious. It is obvious that the greatest common factor is 5. But in this example, the greatest common factor is not obvious. So this is what we are going to do. Write the first term, which is the 24x raised to the exponent of 4. And then find the prime factors of 24. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. These are the prime factors of 24 because 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24. And then write x raised to the exponent of 4 as x times x times x times x. Anyway, x times x times x times x is x raised to the exponent of 4. And then the second term, 6x squared. 6x squared is equal to 3 times 2. And then x, write x times x. Write 3 below 3, 2 below 2, and x below x, the other x below this x. Then go to the third term, 9x. 9 is 3 times 3. Write 3 below 3, and then write 3 after this column because there is no 3 in the second row. There is no 3 in the first row. Then x below this x. Then bring down 3. 3 is present in all the rows. And then x here is present in all the rows. There is x, x, x. Bring down one of them. Then multiply 3 times x is equal to 3x. The greatest common factor is the 3x. So write 3x. Next, divide each term by 3x. 24x raised to the exponent of 4 divided by 3x is 8x cubed. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And then we subtract the exponents in division. 4 minus 1, it's understood the exponent here is 1. So we have 8x cubed. Write 8x cubed. Then the next term, positive 6x squared divided by 3x is equal to positive 2x. Write positive 2x here. Then go to the last term, negative 9x divided by 3x is negative 3, right? Negative 3 here. So the answer is 3x times the quantity 8x cubed plus 2x minus 3. Next example, factor 16y squared minus 8xy cubed plus 12xy raised to the exponent of 4. Write the first term, 16x squared y squared. 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then x squared is equal to x times x. Y squared is equal to y times 2y. So write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and then x times x times y times y. Then go to the next term, 8xy cubed. 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 and then x. Y cubed is equal to y times y times y. So we have now 2 times 2 times 2 and then times x times y times y times 2y. Right? 2 below 2, this 2 below this 2, and then this 2 below this 2, x below x, y below y, and then y below y. Then go to the next term, 12xy raised to the exponent of 4. 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. Then x and then y raised to the exponent of 4 is equal to y times y times y times y. So we have now 2 times 2 times 3 times x times y times y times y times y. Write 2 below 2, write 2 below 2, then 3 here, then x below x, y below y below y, and then y below y. Then bring down 2 because 2 is present in all the rows. Then bring down 2, it is present in all the rows. And then bring down x, it is present in all the rows here and in all this column and then in all the rows. Then bring down y and then bring down y and then multiply 2 times 2 times x times y is 4xy squared. So the greatest common factor is equal to 4xy squared. Write 4xy squared. Next, divide each term by 4xy squared. So we have 16x squared y squared divided by 4xy squared is 4x. Write 4x. Then negative 8xy cubed divided by 4xy squared is equal to negative 2y, right? Negative 2y. Then the last term, positive 12xy raised to the exponent of 4 divided by 4xy squared is equal to positive 3y squared, right? Positive 3y squared. So the answer is the 4xy squared times the quantity 4x minus 2y plus 3y squared.